Now friends, talking about some of the lesser known qualities connected with the nakshatra and talking about the Bharni nakshatra. So guys, we all know that Bharni is being ruled by the Venus. It resides in the Taurus sign. So I will not talk about the already well known qualities. I will talk about the lesser known qualities. So the influence of the Bharni can make you eat less and sleep more. So what do I mean by that? So they eat less, I mean to say they are not among those who will go to a buffet, all you can eat, and the hotel staff, restaurant staff has to push them out. No, they eat less, but they sleep more, and they behave like very royal and scholarly person. You will see that in their body language, in their demeanor, that they looks like to be very scholarly. The influence of the Bharni can give you very childlike innocence to your face. The influence of Bharni, generally it has been seen that it can give you a birthmark around the waist area or the hips area, and with the passage of time they tend to acquire more body fat around this body parts. Somehow they have found to be slightly scared of the water as well. They like good humor. When we talk about people who go to all these stand-up comedy events and all, or people who are very good in with a good sense of humor, they are very good conversationalist. So that comes naturally to Bharni. Somehow it has been seen that the influence of the Bharni, I already mentioned, can give you a childlike innocence to your face, and without them doing anything, they become a victim of other people's jealousy, envy, or gossip. It has been seen. And yes guys, they like to travel a lot, and not only they travel, but they are a good art collector as well. Wherever they travel, they collect the fine things from there as well. We know this thing that when it comes down to the pleasurable and the sensual things in the life, they don't hesitate in slightly going in that direction as well. I mean to say, like when you are in college and all, you want to drink, you want to go out with people. So lifestyle, you will find a lot in the energy of the Bharni nakshatra. And lastly guys, do you know that in the Mahabharata, which character is connected with the Bharni nakshatra? I'm sure you would be knowing about it. So the Kaurava king Duryodhan is believed to be born with the influence of the Bharni nakshatra.